Hello, my name is Zubia Sheikh. I am studying 5th standard. Today we are celebrating a Science Exhibition Day. I am playing the role of nurse. Every day nurse make critical decisions that impact the life of others. It is a nurse job to guide patients in incredibly stressful situations that impact the life of others. Best quality of nurse are communication, confidence, endurance, kind-heartedness, great memory, emotional stability. They are the best quality of nurse. Thank you.
Hello sir, belated wish you a very happy science festive. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to explain science model. Myself Zulekha Malik from 7th standard and my model is about dispersion of light. What is dispersion? I will show you. When white light is separated into its spectrum of colors in order: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. As you can see the colors occurring on the screen, the white light and the process of white light splitting into its constituent of colors is termed as dispersion. Dispersion of light occurs when white light is separated into its constituent of colors because of refraction and Snell's law. The white light enters the prism on the left and is separated according to wavelength and it occurs. Why dispersion of light is important? Chromatic dispersion is important to researchers who use optical equipment like cameras, optical microscopes and telescopes. I hope that you understand all about my model dispersion of light. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Myself Mohammad Awais Ahmad. I am studying in 8th standard. Today we are celebrating Science Festive and my model name is Hydraulic Bridge. Hydraulic bridge is a movable bridge that can be reset with the help of mechanical industry in order to allow maritime traffic through a bridge. The principle behind hydraulic bridge working is law and for operation. The bridges use petroleum and base hydraulics often used for moving parts of mechanical system that need to lift or push heavy object. There are three basic types of bridges used in transportation: the arch bridge and suspension bridge. Let's see.
Hello, today we all are gathered here to celebrate Science Festive. Myself Saima Azmin, I am studying in 7th standard. My model name is Satellite are rotating around the Earth. A satellite orbits Earth when its speed is balanced by the pull of Earth's gravity. Without this balance, the satellite would fly into a space or fall back to Earth. A satellite is a moon, planet or machine that orbits that orbits planets, stars. For example, Earth is a satellite because it orbits Sun. The satellites send television signals directly to homes, but they also are the backbones of network TV. The satellite rounding speed is 1.0 km. Thank you, sir.
Veins collect the oxygenated blood from our body, bring to right atrium. Right atrium gives to right ventricle. Right ventricle send to blood from lungs through pulmonary veins. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
सभी को मेरा सलाम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि आज बसो कल्याण में नॉलेज पार्क स्कूल में साइंस फेस्टिव 2022 रखा गया था। इसके अंदर लगभग 150 के प्लस जो है साइंस मॉडल्स तैयार किए गए और लगभग 200 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स ने आज पार्टिसिपेट किया था। और इसको देखने के लिए हमारे स्कूल के और बाहर के बहुत से लोग पेरेंट्स आए थे और चीफ गेस्ट आए थे, कई ऑफिसर्स थे और कई समाज सेवक, कई जो है अलग अलग फील्ड से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले लोग आए थे। मैं आज तहे दिल से सभी का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं जो आपने आज यहां पर अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल कर आया। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इसी तरह से आपका प्यार हमेशा नॉलेज पार्क पे बना रहे।
This video sponsored by Knowledge Park, the Creative School.